Hi friends, welcome to Jarvis Text Master. ஸோ என்னோட போன 2 வீடியோக்குமே நீங்கள் நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கொடுத்துருந்தீங்க, நல்ல ஃபீட்பேக். மிஸ்டர் கார்த்திகேயன் வந்து ரெஸ்ட் சர்வீசஸ் பற்றி கேட்டிருந்தாரு. ஸோ ரெஸ்ட் சர்வீசஸ் ஆர் டெவலப்டு பை இந்த ஜாவா டீம். அதை நம்ம எப்படி வந்து PLSQL வந்து ஆக்சஸ் பண்ண போகிறோங்கிறதுக்கு நான் தனியாக உங்களுக்காக ஒரு வீடியோ ஒன்று ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். நீங்கள் என்ன மாதிரி ரெஸ்ட் சர்வீசஸ் வந்து ஹேண்டில் பண்ணோம், என்ன டைப்பில் வந்து கேட்குறீங்க, லைக் JSON ஆர் XML, which type you are just looking, just comment it again. I will share the video. Okay, so today we are just going to look at the set operators in Oracle. It's very simple and it's very important. So basically set operators are used to compare the two different data sets or comparing two different tables data. So it will provide the results from two select statements. Okay, தமிழ் மட்டும் நல்லா தெரிஞ்சவங்களுக்காக சிம்பிளாக வந்து சொல்லிடுறேன். ஒரு செலக்ட் கொரி எழுதி நீங்கள் டைப் பண்ணி ஃபயர் பண்ணுறீங்க, அந்த செலக்ட் கொரியிலேருந்து ஒரு ரிசல்ட் ஒன்று வருது. ஓகேங்களா, அந்த ரிசல்ட்டும் இன்னொரு செலக்ட் கொரியில் இருக்கிற ரிசல்ட்டையும், ரெண்டு ரிசல்ட்டையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து ஒரு டேட்டா எடுக்கிறோம். அதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் செட் ஆப்ரேட்டர்ஸ். Okay, now we will focus the types of set operators. We have 4 different types: union, union all, minus and intersect. So first union. Before that, I am just going to introduce 2 different example tables for the explanation for the set operators: table A and table B. TBL is a short form of table, and the table A have the column S number and the values are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and table B also have the same column name as a S number and the values are 1, 3, 7, 8. So the first point, union. Union will bring all the records from both data sets or both select statements, but no duplicates in the results. See this diagram just presenting how the union will function, and here's an example: select star from table A, union select star from table B. So the union just remove the duplicates and combine the both results. So the result will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we are just going to look at the union all. Union all will bring all the records from the both the data sets or both select statements, but it will never remove the duplicates in the results. This diagram will represents, this is the A table and this is the B table. It's just combining, and the duplicates also is framed. And this is the example: the first table name select query and union all, and the second table. See, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. These 5 entries are coming from the table A, and 1, 3, 7, 8 is just coming from the table B. But here the 1, 3, these are all the duplicates, but union all never considers the duplicates. It will club all the results. Minus will bring the unique entries from the first table. At the same time, it will ignore the entries which is matched with the second table, like A minus B mathematics. So this is the A table and this is the B table. Here this is the sample: select star from table A and minus select star from table B. So the A 2, 5, 6, these are all the unique values which is not available in the table B. And intersect will bring the common entries from the both tables. So it will analyze both different data sets and it will find which is matched with the 2 different data sets. See, this is the table A and this is the table B. Only it will bring the unique and matched entries. So 1 and 3 is the only matched entries. So we can use the set operators for the various purpose for the comparing the data sets, but we have some restrictions. Point number 1, while handling the set operators, we have to handle the columns or column in select statement carefully. So most of the freshers, they're just doing some crazy things, so I don't want to explain. Let's assume the point number 2, table A have 2 different columns and the S number and S name. The one column is a number format data type and the second is a varchar2. It will agree everything. And the second table B have the only one column, S number. So if you are trying to frame the select star from table A minus select star from table B, you will get an error. Why? Because the table A have 2 different columns. The star is instead of all columns, right? So the both select statement column count and its data type should be same. You got my point? So the point number 3, we can handle the where condition in both select statements. It will never throw any error. And the point number 4, if you are using the star instead of column name. We cannot use the order by with the column name. Please mark it. So sometimes some people will the freshers will be do. And the final restriction is we cannot use the order by clause in the first select statement. Always it should be in the second statement only. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you understand the set operators clearly. So subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணாதவங்க like பண்ணுங்க, comment பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க. We'll see you on next video.